What's going on, guys? I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, and I have another unboxing for you guys to check out, brought to you in part by the letter O. Let's get into it. Now when I say O, I mean the U of O, aka the University of Oregon, aka the birthplace of one of the biggest sneaker brands in the world. And according to the Sports Product Management Master's Program at the University of Oregon, it just might be the birthplace of the next big sneaker brand. Which brings me to what's in this mystery box. A special delivery from a talented team that went through that program of drafting, designing, and creating an actual shoe. With that being said, I present to you a prototype dubbed the Exhale 1. A name like Exhale speaks for itself, as this shoe is designed to be one that you wear after a workout or any athletic activity with a lifestyle look that doesn't look like you just came from the gym. Letting your feet breathe was the mantra on this shoe, as we see a perforated toe box up front. From there, we have a stretchy mesh upper for a snug and supported fit. On the back, there's a heel counter for stability. All atop, a sleek sole with nubuck throughout the shoe, giving the shoe its lifestyle look. Say what you want about the shoe, but there are a few things to keep in mind about how it all came together. First of all, it's a 2-year program that's about 95% online and remote. So if you have a full-time job like me, you can do this in your spare time and on your own time. The other 5% is even better, as you get to fly to Portland, Oregon and meet with people in the industry, talk to your professors, and attend workshops. Then there's the icing on the cake. A 7-day trip to Asia where you take everything you've learned to the factories to actually get this shoe built and manufactured. So the team that made this shoe, what's really interesting about them and what speaks to the industry and also the program at the University of Oregon is that they come from all walks of life. You got one person who is a former D1 athlete, a person in accounting, one that specialized in engineering, another a marketer, and all of these things are what the industry needs. So if you like sneakers but you can't draw, there's still a place for you within this world. All of that said, it's amazing to see what they've been able to do on this shoe, their first shoe, with this much polish, especially given what other big brands have been able to produce as their first shoe. So my question for you is, what would your first shoe look like? Hit the link in the description below to check out the Sports Product Management Master's Program at the University of Oregon to get started. As always, this has been another Nice Kicks unboxing. I'm Gabe Ocean telling you to like, share, and subscribe, and keep it locked for the next episode. Thanks for watching.